back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, what we're having today is a Dollar Tree haul. Oh my goodness. If you watched my video yesterday, I told you I was going to pop in there and Target. Well, I went to Dollar Tree, and oh my gosh, I went to both places, and oh my gosh, but this is just a Dollar Tree haul for 2021. You're not going to believe what I found. Okay, so let's hop into it. I found tons of new items I have never seen before. And let's just get into this Dollar Tree haul for 2021. I'm so excited, okay? You need to take a moment. You really are going to need to take a moment and sit down and take a deep breath. Look what they have out for Valentine's. It looks like 3 separate books, but it isn't. This says, "Be mine forever and lots of love." They even have the little bow on it. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The top looks like faux wood. You have that buffalo check ribbon. Look at that. I love this. Now, at $1.25, I still think this is worth it. You can make these, and I have in the past. But oh my goodness, can you believe this? Okay. And they weren't finished. Oh no. This one says, "Hugs and kisses, love you always." Now I need to take this paper off and fix that ribbon, but look at that. And if you wanted, you could embellish that ribbon further. Oh my gosh, I can't stand it. I think they had 4 of them, and I got 3 of the different types. This one says, "Love bug, cutie pie, and sweetheart." Look at that. With the pink and the red and that buffalo check again. I love these. These would be awesome for a tiered tray or just anywhere in your Valentine decor. Now this one, I think is, well, the bow's on top on this one, okay? But you can definitely do whatever you want. Can you believe this? Dollar Tree is beyond blowing my mind. I don't know. Okay. Now you might want to take another moment. I don't know. Look at this truck. Loads of love, special delivery. Oh, it's that thick wood. All these were $1.25. This would look gorgeous on a tiered tray or anywhere. Look at those hearts. And this is glitter, and that's the only thing that's glitter is that white. Ugh. And were they through? No. Look at this one. Hugs and kisses. Fast and free delivery. And this is glitter. And this isn't, just this right here. Can you believe this? What are they doing to me? Oh my goodness. I love these. I beyond love these. Dollar Tree has totally even stepped up their game more. When you think they can't, they do. So let's see what else I found. I don't know. Look at this, love. And this says, "Be mine." It's metal. Look at those delicious hearts. Oh, look at that. They have the buffalo check, then the kind of stripe, the plain. Look at the steering wheel. Look at those tires. Oh my gosh. The back is like this. You could hang it. You could set that on a tier tray. I don't know. We really need to take a moment. And you're not gonna believe what else I found. I guess I just walked in there at the right time. Look at this, love bug. No, it doesn't say love bug. In my mind, it says love bug. It says heartbreaker, but it looks like a little love. Look at that. Look at that. Look right here. I saw one of the petals. And then look at this right here. Or maybe it's a light. I don't know. Look, love and XOXO. Can you believe the dimension in that car? The back is like that. I'm telling you, just what I found here is worth the admission. I can't believe it, but they haven't stopped. No, Okay, and I have a bunch more that I've put back to show later because I didn't want to put everything out today, but just go to Dollar Tree. Okay, look at this, XOXO. You can make these, they're very easy, but for $1.25, you probably couldn't even make it this cheap. Look at this. Beautiful on a tier tray once again, or anywhere, maybe on some of those stacked books. And then they had Be Mine, look at that. And then they had another one, and it must be in my other bags, but look at that. Oh my gosh, I hope you all can find these. This is just, it's killing me. And then look at this, wooden sticks. This would look great on a drink cart. Look at this, all these little hearts. They have the pink, they have this gold, they have the red, and you get 20 pieces of hearts. And if you wanted, you could take this and maybe stick these in like little, if you're going to do a Valentine's charcuterie board, which would be wonderful, or anything. You could put these in appetizers, or this would look really cute on a drink station, just down in something. So I picked up 2 of these. I was like, you gotta get them. You have to get these, okay? And then look at this. They had these in red and they had them in pink. I love pink. And it really dispenses candy. You open it up here. Now I have to find some candy that will literally fit in there. I think it's going to have to be something relatively small. But look, whether you dispense it or not, it's gorgeous. Look at this. I see a drink station coming to life. And then look, they had the prettiest flowers I've ever seen. I got a bunch. Some others are in there. These are like foam flowers. Look at that detail. And they're different sizes. You have the bigger ones, the smaller ones. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And you get 18. They had this in pink, red, and I believe white. Love it. And then look at this. I don't know. I don't know. Look at this. This pops out. It says, follow your heart. And it just goes right back in there like a little envelope. You could hang it up. There's the back. There's the side. You can see how thick this is. And this is large. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. And I love this back in here, that check that they did. And look. And it slips right in here, and you could add another sentiment in there as well. Can you believe this? I don't know. And wait. Look at this. It's a little cupcake that you can paint. It has sprinkles on the heart. Look at all these little hearts. These are little hearts down through here. Look at this. And it says, Be Mine right here with those beautiful hearts. That's the front. This is the back. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Oh. All right, look at this. Love delivery. And look at these, like the little envelopes with the hearts. Look at that. so easy to paint and embellish yourself. I'm loving it. And they also had a mailbox. I didn't pick up the mailbox, okay? Then look what I found. Now this is pretty much what you would expect, XOXO, but I think this is really pretty. You could take this off and just set this up if you wanted and DIY it, or you could leave it like that. There's so many options, okay? Now, when I went in there, they also had some Christmas left over. I don't know what's happening. I guess truly it's on the boat. I don't know. So look at this. Okay, they had the little houses. Look how cute with the snow on top. Look at that front. I love that window. And the boots and the little sleigh on the door. Gorgeous. They come in 3 different sizes. Okay. And then they had this one. Look at that. How cute. Let it snow. So cute. Or I guess no matter how I put it on there, it doesn't really, it covers that. But look at this. So cold looking. I love, that really looks like snow just laying there. I love it. Ugh, okay. Then they had this one, Sweet Shop. Look at that. With all those delicious sweets in there. And I love that effect that they gave it, that like candy striping. So beautiful. Then they had several mailboxes for Christmas, but I liked this one because it was all gingerbread. And it just says cheer, and then it has all these little gingerbread letters. And it opens up. So adorable. The merriest season, okay? And then I have never seen these gift boxes at my Dollar Tree ever. So, like I said, they had a lot of new things. I was surprised. Okay, you get 4 boxes to each. You get 2 that look like this with Santa right there with the reindeer. I'm not going to open them because I'm going to store them for next year. And then you get 2 like this. Look at this. And that's not glitter, but I love how they did that. It's beautiful. So high-end looking. It does not look like it came from Dollar Tree. Then, the most wonderful time of the year, you get 3 boxes in here. Just this buffalo check with this. I think this is pretty. But check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at that truck with Santa. And that house and those trees. So high-end and delicious. And I think the other one is white and black buffalo check. Then I just thought this, he looks so cute. You get 3 in here. Look at this Santa with the toys. They look so vintage. And he just looks happy. Look at this. You get 3 in here, and then this one is like this with the reindeer. I don't know what the other one is. And this is just as cute as it can be. I love it. Joy to the world. Look at that. That looks so high-end. I would hate to even rip that. But look, you get 3 in here. And then look at this one. Is that not everything? I love it. Oh, it shows what the others are, okay? And then this one says cheer. Okay, so let me look at these others. Oh, this other one has like a Santa. I know it's impossible to see. Oh, and this one has trees. I know it's probably blurring. And then here is the last thing I found. I don't know. Look at that face. Is that not adorable? You get 2 in here, but he just looks so sweet. And then here is Rudolph. I mean, it's mind-blowing. So I hope with all my heart you can find this stuff at the Dollar Tree, because Like I said, I have bags in there still to show you, but I don't want you to miss, if you missed out on some Christmas, some places are still opening boxes and then putting it out, and just because it's so late, discounting it. It's unbelievable. I cannot believe it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see, so I want to wish everyone a very happy new year. I'm going to be taking this Friday off because Melvin is off this entire week. And so we're just going to be hanging around the house. We're not going anywhere, but we're just going to try to relax and catch up on some much needed rest. But I want to wish you all a very, very happy new year. I hope you get everything in the coming year that you want. I hope life calms down. I truly wish you a blessed and happy and prosperous new year. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was in there with Daddy. She is so funny. The first night that we gave her Rudolph, we call him Rudy to her, she had to sleep with him. She had to sleep with him. You love Rudolph? You love Rudy? Do you love Rudy? Oh, she loves Rudy. Yes, she does. So until next time, bye guys.